in Abuja, where Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Monday adjourned indefinitely the trial of the detained Biafra agitator Nnamdi Kanu to await the decision of the Supreme Court of Appeals lodged by both the federal government and Kanu's defense team. Whereas the government is challenging the Court of Appeal judgment of 13 October that quashed the 15-count terrorism charge against Kanu. The defendant, on the other hand, approached the Appeals Court to query the legality of the Appellate Court's decision to stay the execution of the order for his release. The dramatic twist on the resumed hearing of the case was the absence of Kanu in court, and his counsel, Mike Ezekume, says he was unaware of his client's intentions.
He didn't tell us he will not be in court. So when we heard that today, to us it was a shocker. Why would Nnamdi Kanu, who has always wanted to be in the court for his trial, who detests the gulag, is presently kept caged away like an animal? Why will Nnamdi Kanu, who has already indicated in a cross appeal against that case?
Ezekume also informed the media that the government has again filed the charges that the appeal court had quashed on the 13th of October.
Like Fela Ransome-Kuti will say, suddenly, another charge sprang up today. We actually read it in the social media over the weekend that Nnamdi Kanu is being arraigned today again on the same old charge, where the Court of Appeal has said this court, including any other court in Nigeria, is prohibited from ever trying him on the same count charge. We were not served the charge sheet. We only read it in the social media. And when I asked the prosecution today to give me a copy, they said they also don't have a copy here. They didn't have a copy here.
Kanu has also filed a right enforcement lawsuit in the sum of 100 billion naira against the government over his continuing detention for additional 15 days after the appeal court decision of 13th October.